This commission is unlike any other. It's the most important challenge this shipyard has been involved in, and all must be perfect. We have to be able to manufacture a unit with a very special component. It has to be magical.
The level of requests this order has doesn't know limits. It has to be luxurious and practical in all its details. There's a long trip ahead and weather of all kinds to allow the customer to make possible his mission.
The RAL code of this paint is unmatched, magic and illusion, able to shine at day or night when sliding over the sea.
Please check the list.
Lights, TV, GPS plotter, interior, engines, ice protection.
It's perfect. Happy holidays from Tesoro Yachts.